even get to cross.
Okay, what's up guys, you're back with another video, and today we're gonna unbox a Bluetooth keyboard sponsored by a company named 1byone. And they were kind enough to send it to me so I could review it for you guys. There's gonna be a link in the description where you can buy the keyboard, or you can go direct to their site, which is also gonna be in the description, and buy other cool stuff. But without further ado, let's unbox this keyboard. Okay. Move that aside. We got our 1byone product incorporated. Put that aside. Okay, so the front of the box is Bluetooth keyboard 1byone. In the back you have a logo, sides. Nothing really much, but let's see what we really want is inside. Okay. That's some what is this? Some glue, protection glue. Okay, here we go. This is our keyboard. Let's set it aside. Our 1byone information guide and what like stuff you can do with it. Yeah, that's better. Okay. And our charging cable. Okay, so let's open the keyboard. Okay, so it's a metallic silver. Okay, it like opens like that, and it's on. I guess so. It looks really nice. It's nice and steady if you set it down. Has nice bounce. It's something like a Mac keyboard. It's really nice, and it folds and you can fit it in your pocket. So that's really good, and I like that. You can connect this to any iOS, Android device. So we're gonna try to pair it with a Galaxy S4. Go into Bluetooth. Turn it on. Press FN and plus C, so you can look. So we can look for it. Scanning. Okay, so just click on the keyboard. And the keyboard is connected. Okay, so let's try to type something. Hi there. Can you see it? There you go. Blah blah blah. Something something something. Okay, so you see it connects to an Android device. So you can connect your keyboard to your PS3. What you want to do is go to Settings, Accessory Settings, Manage Bluetooth Devices. Want to register a new device. You want to click the FN plus C on your keyboard and make the blue light up. Yep, there it is. Start scanning. And wait, okay, 1byone keyboard, click it. Okay, so there's a pass key. You want to type it in. 100578. Click enter. Register completed. And you can use your keyboard. You can use your arrows to go away, this way. Go this, you can go up. You can probably type in it, like if you want to use your browser, you can use it as your browser keyboard. You have to use a controller to type a letter by letter. Another thing you can connect it to is your laptop. Let's say you want to kick back and watch a movie from your couch and you don't really feel like getting up. You can just connect your keyboard, press FN, C, blue light will light up, and it's scanning, pair, and it's paired. Okay, now you want to go into your browser and just start typing. Blah blah blah. Press enter. Page will come up with gimsh something. So this keyboard retails for $35 on Amazon right now. It can stand up to 64 hours of non-stop use, over 100 days of standby. It only charges 4 hours. And just look how beautiful it looks, how easy and compatible it is. You can connect it to any Android, iOS, any TV, any laptop you want, and you can just take it wherever, whenever you want it. Big thanks to 1byone for making this video possible. If you're looking for cool gadgets, accessories, smoke machines, go visit their website. I'll have a link down in the description. So do you like this keyboard? Would you want to buy one? Let me know in the comments below. Anyways, thanks you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.